Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Hey, thanks for coming to the corner today. Spring is in the air. I just mowed the grass. And I'm going to change the grill cover and do an unboxing. So, right here.
NFL executive grill cover. Grill not included. I'm going to go ahead and do a voiceover here for you. And this cover was a gift for Christmas from Mama Pappy. While I unbox it, I'm going to go ahead and read the back of the box for you. It says that it'll fit most barbecue grills up to 68 inches wide and boobs. And it's made of durable polyester PVC coating. Provides a superior protection against tearing and against rain and damaging UV rays. It helps prevent frost and mildew for outstanding year-round protection. Did you see Pappy's pup there? It has hook and loop tie-down straps to help secure the cover in place. The grill cover is good for outside temperatures from minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. If the grill becomes dirty, you can wash it with soap and water and let it air dry before placing back on the grill. Do not place the grill cover in a clothes dryer. And the item is not fireproof and should be kept away from flame and heat sources. The item should only be installed on a completely cooled grill. So now, here the grill cover is in place.
Well, thank you for coming to the corner today. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.